Our team is in Exxat every day. We utilize it for sites, for evaluations, for credentials, for affiliation agreements. Students are heavily involved. I'm Carol Gorney. I'm a PA. I'm the Director of Clinical Education at a large academic health center, the University of Iowa. So our PA program has a lot of standards that we have to fulfill through the ARCPA, through our own learning outcomes and program goals, as well as competencies. One of the big things that drew us to Exxat Prism is the reporting feature. That enables us to really benchmark the things we need for our outcomes, for our competencies, for the PA standards. They're familiar with the standards. They know what programs need, and so the reports are customized around ARCPA. For ARCPA, we're required to upload a SCPE report annually. Exxat has developed a SCPE report, which is identical to the portal. It shows the exact same information that the portal does. Exxat helps us enable identification of students that might not be performing at the level we expect. Getting immediate notification that a particular student scored low enables you to hone in on that student first and figure out that problem and see if there really is an issue going on and what you can do about it. We're using 3 systems, which required an immense workload to be triple entering numbers and information into those systems. So when we transitioned to only having to enter it into one system to be able to get all the functionality, we reduced the workload by 70%. I cannot tell you how helpful reporting was for our accreditation visit. Again, we could pull every report we needed out of Exxat.